This is cool. Oh yeah, where are we? Well, it's late, it's dark, it's cold, and there's a lot of noise. Woo! We're at Mountain Creek South. If it's shaking, it's because my hands are freezing. It's cold and windy out here, but I had to show you this. We saw the snow blowers going, we were on our way by, and I thought I'd stop in and give you guys a quick look. Greetings from somewhere in North Jersey. Nah, this is Mountain Creek. We're at Mountain Creek and they're blowing snow, so I thought I'd give you guys a quick report. If you're looking for a place to go skiing, this could be it. It's cold, the snow blowers are going, the snow cats are driving and grooming. In fact, there's one right there. Cool, huh? Come skiing. At first, it reminded me of one of those old steam-powered locomotives that the gold miners used to haul ore out of the mountains, but that's not what that is. That's a smoker for barbecue in Bristol. Make your plans for a special day and go skiing. It's fun, it's adventurous, and it's something you can do with friends and family. I'm not getting paid for this, I just thought it was cool. I think that driving one of those would be fun. Especially when you're on these very steep hills. That would just be amazing. Don't forget, subscribe. Click the notification button so you can get notified of the next video. And share us with all your friends and family and even strangers, people you don't know, prolifically. I need subscribers, help me out. Thanks for hanging in there and checking in on the videos. Make it a great day. We'll look forward to seeing you again in the next video real soon. Till then, wheels up. Oh yeah, wheels up. It's cold out here. I've been down these hills.